What makes a successful partnership? Mercedes-Benz has been serving Gudang Garam with its best truck lineup for more than 20 years. As a leader in innovation, we particularly hold high-quality products with advanced technology and groundbreaking solutions in high esteem. Today, we are presenting our newest innovation that will bring maximum efficiency with many technological advanced features that will give a feeling of safety and also comfort. All of these modern features will be easy to use by any user for any logistical purposes. An elegant design that will always be powerful against any kinds of challenges alongside the road, making the new Actros a truck that you can trust. Gudang Garam's trust is the source of our pride in giving and improving our services. Thank you. It is truly an honor to be able to serve a business for more than a decade.